for Murmur, I've created an installation that works with the architecture of the room. So building a wall that separates one side of the room from another. So there's two entrances to the space, but one's cut off with the wall that then divides a second set of double doors at the other side of the room. On the installation, I've installed artworks that then relate to the concept of the exhibition. There are also, as part of the design of the wall, there's some abstract pieces that deal with ideas of advertising. So they're interspersed with a more kind of monochrome palette. We had measurements and designs that the community had given us, and we worked off those remotely to devise a few different concepts and see which ones worked. And then when we came on site, things changed a little bit, but there's always little surprises which are really nice. Like there's the emergency exit sign, which is on a door, so the sculpture kind of cuts through that and creates a nice little feature. But yeah, mostly it was remotely, and then we made everything in London and then brought it over in a van and then set up over a couple of days. Well, I'm kind of very interested in social divisions. So this architecturally deals with the idea of separate spaces. So you might have buildings that have two entrances, one for maybe a wealthier client and one that's maybe for the workers, or there's another piece outside which is made of sandbags, and that my interest in that is kind of dealing with the language that is sometimes used in politics and stuff. So like the idea of like floods and the language that's used in politics around migration and but also it then refers to climate. But essentially it's a wall that has multiple meanings for me. So as a metaphorical device, the sandbags can talk about a lot of different issues, but also be quite neutral as an object.
I invited Michael Iveson to show here in the Salon de Normandy for a number of reasons. It seemed pretty appropriate for Michael's work to be showing on the corner of the Rue Saint-Honoré, a typical and traditional center of luxury industry in Paris and in the world. At the same time, Mike's work is always dealing with issues of division, sculptural divisions of space in the gallery, as an allegory or metaphor for division of space in society or in urban spaces, and also Michael's practice of dissolving images of desire in advertising copy, usually the luxury goods, and so combining these elements in a site-specific installation was interesting to me as a curator for this salon.
Yes, it kind of works with the architecture because there's another side door.